My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want party, and can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now, Iko, I nay. Jokamau now, anane. Jokamau now, nay. Shamai, this is a ukulele tutorial for Iko Iko, which goes with my play along video over on my Ukulaliens channel. So this is a tutorial for ukulele which goes with my play along video for Iko Iko. This is a newer version. I did try and do the original a while back, but I had a problem with copyright with that and it got blocked. This one is actually by Justin Wellington and apparently has been a massive hit on TikTok, which is why all the kids in school love it. One of the reasons I really wanted to do this song, it is incredibly easy. 2 chords, C and F. We'll look at those in a minute. But I've been doing this now recently with our baby Ukulaliens, our absolute beginners. And we're finding that after a couple of sessions of going off the chord drills, working on the C and F chord, they're playing this and absolutely love it. So here is a quick tutorial to help you. So let's take a look at the chords. This is why it's brilliant for beginners. 2 chords. The first chord is a C. So you're going to play that by putting your 3rd finger or ring finger on the 1, 2, 3rd fret on the A string. And so C should sound like this. Okay. If that last note isn't sounding properly, okay, make sure you're pressing that 3rd finger down. So the C chord and then the F chord. So 1st finger, okay, goes on the 1st fret on the E string, and then you're going to put your middle finger, your longest finger, and stretch it across onto the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, so here's your F. And again, if it's not sounding proper, really press those fingers down. Okay, so that's our F chord, and that's actually the one we start the song on. But just a good idea, before you play the song, actually practice moving between those 2 chords. Okay, it will help. So the strum pattern, as I said, this is one of the very, very first things we are doing in school now. So I'm purposely keeping the strum pattern nice and simple. If you're a more advanced player and you're playing this for fun, or you're going to play the play along for fun, or anywhere, whether it's live in a group, you can do whatever strum you want to. But for this case and in this tutorial, I'm going to keep the strum patterns really, really simple. And in fact, for quite a bit of the play along video, I've included the strum patterns at the top. There is a section in the middle where I take them away, okay, but where it says D, that means a down strum. So let's do it on our F, which is actually our 1st chord, just a down. Let's do it again and again. Okay, a little bit faster. And if it's not sounding properly, make sure you're pressing those left hand fingers down nice and firmly and strumming nice and lightly with your right hand. Okay, so that's what I'm actually suggesting our beginners in school do, although you can also down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. That works really well as well, and really good if you're trying to get into up strums. You could even do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. right? But keeping it simple, if you're really starting out, just do down strums. And that is what the D means above the chords. So you heard a little bit of the song right at the beginning of the video. I'll do it a little bit again now, okay? But as always, go over to the Ukulaliens channel to use the play along. That is far, far better than listening to me. Okay, so the beginning, there are some just downs on your F chord, all right? And then the very first bit goes like this. My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she won't party, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now, Iko Iko I nay. Jockamau fi now, Anna nay. Jockamau fi now, 1, 2, 3, stop. At the very beginning, that very first, actually it's the chorus, but the very first section, there are 3 down strums and then it stops, okay? It doesn't do that in the rest of the song, just at the beginning. So we'll do it one more time, a little bit faster, closer to the proper song speed. My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she won't party, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now, Iko Iko I nay. Jockamau fi now, Anna nay. Jockamau fi now, nay. And so on. That just gives you a little idea, and that pattern works nearly all the way through the song. It changes right at the very end, and again I've put strum patterns at the very end of the video just to help. My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she won't party, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now, Iko Iko I nay. Jockamau fi now, Anna nay. Jockamau fi now, nay. That just gives us a little bit of an idea what it's like doing down, down, up, down, down, up. But as always, you do whatever strum pattern fits for you. And if you're wondering why the ukuleles are different colours, it's because we use a sticker system in school. So the beginners have got stickers on their ukes, and they've got a blue sticker for the C chord and a red sticker for the F chord. I do hope that has helped, but please, please, if you haven't already been there, go over to my Ukulaliens channel, because the original song is on there with the chords, and it is far more fun playing along to that than it is listening to me. If you've got a comment or question, please feel free, leave it below, give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.